Zapier connections are like Zapier My Apps are like a core part of all the apps we built. We in this area you can see all the external apps you connected to Zapier, and what are all the apps which are using those connections as well. Say here Asana used in one Asana has a one connection and one Zap. Calendly has three connections and eight Zap. Three connections means three accounts of Calendly is connected, and eight different apps are using these connections. And same goes for each and different apps you have connected. Say in this case of lead connector, and Facebook has large number of connections, as well as like now large number of apps are using those things too. And when you click on it, you can easily see which connection is used, and which are all the connections you have created. Say this is this one connection which is used by one Zap, and this another connection which is used in two Zaps. And the good thing is like you can just go and test or verify the connection, or like you can rename it, or like if you test the connection, it will show like whether the test is successful or not. And if at all you want to reconnect, you have to provide all those credentials again. It will ask for the Facebook connections and all those things, where you have to log in and authorize each of the everything, yeah, each and every permissions you have to assign. And when you click on the zaps, it will show all the zaps which are using this connection. And you can use the filter to specify a specific connection also, or like for this particular connection is used in this one this app alone. You can just go and check for any errors, or like reconnect and do the needful to ensure that all the connections are fine. So this way you can manage all those connections and all the and if there are any issues with those connections, you can say it will show it here also. Out of all the this has three connections and used in two zaps. And when you click on this particular connection, it will show like this particular connection is has run into error, and you may have to reconnect it if you wish. Otherwise you can just go and click delete, and and you can just click zaps, and you can see you can filter whether this is currently used in any particular zap, and then reassign it accordingly to a different connection. In this way you can fix those connection issues, because it may look very simple on superficially, but this will help you to resolve many of the problems, or like prevent many problems from occurring, because these are like daily SOPs you must have when you have huge number of zaps and huge number of connections. And it also shows like zap also shows like a action needed, and these are all like notifications. And you can just go click help me to fix it. This shows like these are all the errors which some of the apps has run into. One is like you can have to reconnect it, and other one is like if at all you want to increase the run limit, you can upgrade it, and all those things can be is shown here. You can use it accordingly, as if at all you want to fix that particular zap, or like if at all you want to ignore, you can go and delete that zap itself. Thanks.